joining me for today's Power Yoga. We'll begin with a stretch to wake and prepare us. Clasp the hands in front gently. Exhale completely, squeeze the breath from your belly. Inhale, lengthen up with the arms, take it slowly. Exhale and breathe. Lift your stretch tall so you feel the rise of your ribs. Add some strength by lifting the arms nice and strong. Take a moment to feel the stretch. Easy elbows, keeping the arms lengthened a little. Inhale. Exhale and left side bend very slowly. So we come down nice and easy. Breathe, feel. So you can pull the right arm a little. Just be aware of the stretch you feel over the side of the body. Easy elbows. Inhale upright. Exhale and right side down. Take it slowly. Breathe. Pull gently the left arm. Add a little bit of strength. Easy elbows. Inhale upright. Exhale forward to shoulder level slowly as you bend the knees, tuck the pelvis and you tuck your bottom in. So as you lengthen your arms forward, you're rounding your shoulders. You've got a wonderful stretch down through the arms. You can rest your head down, chin tucked down. Keep your breath calm now, focus. Okay, so we're going to keep the tilt now. So we're tucking the bottom in and we're going to bring the hands down to the legs. So as the fingertips touch down, allow your shoulders just to curl over. So get the weight of the arms rounding the back. So just take a nice easy breath and feel as the stretch rises up from your lower back and over your shoulders. Nice and easy. Cross the hands over on the legs. Slide the fingers round a little so you feel the pull across your shoulder blades. Keep your breath calm and feel the release of tension from the muscles. Uncross the hands and we'll prepare to crouch. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze the breath from your belly, sink the bottom down to your heels comfortably low, so you're not going any further than the depth will allow. So fingertips can point or touch down, palms down for those that can. So we've got a big stretch down through calf and Achilles. So I'm sinking my bottom down as much as I can, keeping my heels to the floor. Focus on what you feel, be aware of your breath. Just a little longer. Prepare. Inhale, upright, slowly as we stand mountain. Exhale. Breathe. Focus now as you stand tall. We're going to work a forward bend. So the hands are placed to the hips and this will keep the shoulders level across. Prepare. Inhale. Exhale, flat back, forward bend. So as you come down to about right angle, squeezing the breath from your belly, you're keeping a little bit of strength and breathing normally. We're pushing back from the hips now. Stay as you are. So we're going to turn and work. I'm going to turn and work this way, sideways on. So just in case you're having a little look, you can see the form. So it's a nice flat back, straight down the legs, breath calm, focus. So from this right angle, it's nice and easy. All we're going to do is bend the knee. So we'll start with the left knee first. So as you bend your knee, let the hips sink down a little, and you will feel it. You can sink your chest closer to the leg if the stretch will allow. Breath calm. nice and easy. Lift a little so you can change over. So as you straighten the left, bend the right, and again, the chest can sit closer to the knee if it will. Exhale, squeeze the breath from your belly, come forward and up, all the way, fingertips pointing upwards, stretching, lift, breathe and feel. So this is quite a big stretch for the belly and lots of stretch for the arms. Are you aware of your thumbs? Calm your breath. So from this, we're going to take a forward bend, prepare, inhale. Now exhale slowly, going forward bend, flat back, arms straight, come down. Squeeze the breath from the belly, again depth of the stretch will work with your muscles, never force a strain. And you just breathe. Keep it nice and easy so you're feeling without straining. So from this forward bend, we're going to come upright, standing mountain, arms to our sides. Inhale and up. Exhale. Breathe. Wonderful. So I'm going to turn to the front now, and we're going to work on a posture called triangle. So from centre on your mat, simply step out a little with your left, and then just a little with your right. So you've got about shoulder width and a bit apart. So we're going to work on the left side first, and we're going to turn out on that left foot, keeping this left leg nice and straight. Inhale. Exhale, and as you turn out on the heel, place the foot flat to the floor. Make sure your hips are level. Shoulders are square to the front. This is the first part of our posture. Placing the back of the left hand to the leg. And with this breath, as we slide down, we're going to lift the right arm up. So you can go halfway or all the way down, fingertips to the floor. Prepare. Inhale. Exhale. So as you slide down, slowly focusing on the lift of this right arm and how low you go on your left. So this is about halfway. The lower you go will depend on your practice. So we're coming down, fingertips now, point or touch down, this right arm up, nice strong arm, calm your breath, feel. So as we hold the posture, we've got strength through the upper body and we've got stretch from inner thigh to behind the knee on the left. Wonderful. So from this, we're going to come upright slowly. Inhale, lower the right arm to your side first. Then exhale, squeeze your belly and glide up very slowly to level and breathe. So we have triangle worked on our left. So we're going to now turn left foot to the front. And then, we'll work with the right to turn. Inhale. Exhale, so turning out on the right, making sure the foot's flat to the floor, hips level, back of the hand to the leg, pulling back that left shoulder. Inhale. Exhale and slide it down. Remember, halfways are about here. The lower you go, the bigger the stretch. Work with what you feel. Never force a strain. Just making sure that your hand hasn't turned around behind you. This is really important. So we work through triangle. Focus on your breath. Wonderful. Prepare. Inhale, lower the left arm to your side. Exhale and glide up level. Breathe a moment as you are. I'm going to turn the right foot to the front. Excellent. So we have ourselves in a pyramid stride. We're going to take a forward bend and the hands will stay to the hips for this, keeping them level. You will feel as your hands are placed. Inhale. Exhale, flat back, forward bend, right angle. So as you come down to about right angle, you've squeezed the breath from your belly. You've got a nice strong hold. You breathe normally, shoulders level across. Okay, so we're breathing easy. Push your bottom back like you're trying to sit down. You'll achieve a wonderful stretch around your glutes and travelling down the back of your legs. We'll just take a moment here and we'll feel a little bit of push. Add strength to your stretch. So from this, we're going to work on a squat. You might want to turn your feet out a little, be aware of your knees. Clasp the hands beneath your chest. Prepare, inhale. Now exhale slowly as you bring the bottom down. You're sinking the bottom down quite low, maybe just a little depending on your practice. So coming down, the elbows can push to the inside of the knees and you've got a little bit of strength, forcing the effort. Just a touch for yourself, this is adding strength. So this is quite nice, just to wake up the hips, just add in that little bit more. Breathe and feel. So just stay in the postures a couple of breaths, just so we can focus and enjoy the strength of the work. So from this, we don't just rush upright, we need a little bit of help, so we lift the bottom up first, takes away the pressure. Inhale and upright, standing, pyramid. Exhale. Wonderful. So this time we'll take a side lunge. So working on side lunges, you'll need to inch your feet out a little further, but you only go as far as is safe for yourself. So toes to the front for this one. You're going to take a breath and go down over to the left side. Inhale. Exhale, push your bottom back and down. So as you're coming down, you're taking the weight as though a squat. So you've got your right leg straight, hip out. So working from the angle. Remember, each range of movement will offer a different feel, so don't force or strain, just calm. If it's too low for you, you've gone a bit too far, come up a little. Time and practice. So you've got a lot of body weight now pressing down on this left side. Prepare, we're going to straighten this left, come to centre and change sides. Inhale, push, straighten. Exhale and right. Lunge side down, keeping that left leg straight. Now if your left side weaker, you will find that this will feel a bit tight, maybe awkward at your hip. So again, just focus on what you feel. Calm the breath. Wonderful, very gently. Inhale, push straighten right, centre. Exhale, come up slowly. Calm your breath. So we've taken ourselves out for some wider strides. This might be too wide for your feet to step left to right. So come in a little bit closer and then we'll finish the sequence with mountain. Inhale. Exhale, bend knees, push, step in, and we finish mountain. Just a moment to relax, let your legs wake up a little from the pressure of standing. So for the next sequence, we're going to turn and face in. So you've got length of the mat in front of you. We're going to crouch down and then we're going to work on hands and knees. Prepare, inhale. Exhale, bend the knees Sink the bottom down, fingertips to the floor in front of your feet. So you don't have to reach forward, just to steady yourself. Pointing down the spine, you have to go with your practice. So just allowing the stretch again, calf and Achilles. So from this crouch, nice and easy, fingertips mat width, arms length, knees to the floor, support with your arms. Inhale, knees down gently. Exhale. And now we're on the flexion of the toes. You're going to feel a little bit of stretch around the ball of the foot. So this is what we need. The toes are a tight area and we need to keep them moving. So stretching them out is really important. So just a little push back, just to feel without straining. Wonderful. Lift a little, place the tops of your feet flat to the floor, maybe wriggle out your toes. So from this hands and knees position, we're going to work on a posture that will strengthen through the glute and down through the leg. So we're going to extend the left leg back behind us. Prepare. Inhale. Now exhale slowly as you push your left leg back behind you, push from the heels, so you're straightening through, support with your arms. You're very strong and focused. So you're staying through the stretch and the strength. Okay, so from here, if you can, have a little look behind you. Make sure your leg hasn't wandered off out to the side, it hasn't come up too high. The usual trick is to have a little look under, and if you can see your toes, you've got a nice straight line back. Excellent. So we're going to take a breath, change sides. Inhale, left knee down. Exhale, right leg back. So exactly the same. Push back to the heel, calm your breath. Feel your breath. Wonderful. Very gently inhale, bring it down. Exhale, arch your back and push your bottom down to your heels. And just take a moment here and we'll just stretch it out. Nice and easy. Lift your head a little. Bring your hands close to your knees so the chest is away from your legs. Okay, so from here we're going to sit L shape. So untuck the legs and stay facing the length of your mat. So we're facing in. So from this it's nice and easy. L shape. You might need to readjust clothing. Always has a habit of shifting around when we work. So L shape, strong back. Focus on your form. So nice strong spine, lift the chin, straight down the legs, toes pointing up. We're going to work on cross leg stretch now. So instead of having the foot resting on top of the thigh, we're going to rest the foot to the inside of the thigh. This makes it much easier and safer, especially if you're new and you're just following the programs online. So we're going to start with the left leg. So I'll work with my left, so we're not opposites. So bring that left foot up to rest. Either lower leg is fine, okay, so that's not too bad. The further up you come into the inner thigh, the deeper the knee bend will be on that leg. So we're just flexing, pushing the heel into the thigh. We're working through the back. So we're not going to suddenly rush ourselves forward bend. Take a moment to feel this is comfortable. So when we take the forward bend, it's coming from your hip. So from here we take the forward bend. So we're not rounding the shoulders first. Nice flat back. You can see the form. Prepare. Inhale. Exhale and down. Breathe. Okay, so from this, you're going to feel a little bit of pull maybe from beneath the buttock to behind your knee. This is normal, but you must never force or strain. You don't want any muscles to cling. Breathe easy. slide your left leg straight nice and slowly. So we've got that stretch. You might want to just, again, adjust your clothes up. Everything has a habit of shifting around. So, wonderful. When we work yoga, you have to be aware of your left and your right side. So some sides work with a nice easy stretch, another side, your left side might struggle. Some of us are lucky and both might be okay. So we'll work and see how we feel. Right leg, bend here, bring the side of the side of the thigh. So again, we're pushing from the heel just to make sure it's tucked in. Nice strong back, facing down over the top of the leg, preparing for that stretch. Inhale. Exhale and down. Breathe. Remember, the depth of the stretch will work with your body, so don't try and grab yourself in and tug it through. Just relax. Even if you're here, this is absolutely fine. Just breathe calm and feel. Lift the head gently, and inhale, glide to sit up. Exhale easy, and just slide your right leg straight. So from here, L shape. L shape is a wonderful sit position. It's great for the back, and it makes you focus on the spine. So from here, we're going to take a forward stretch. So with the forward stretch over the top of the legs, if you move just a tiny, tiny bit, that is absolutely fine. I wouldn't worry about your depth of stretch. It's about you. So we'll take a breath. Inhale. Exhale forward and down slowly. Moving from the hips. You're not tucking your head down until you are as close as you can be. You breathe and you feel. Now it's at this point you might think, oh, my chest was a bit tight. You've gone too far. Sit yourself up a little. Don't struggle for breath. Just take it nice and easy. Enjoy your stretch. Lift the head gently. Prepare to sit up in L shape. Inhale. Exhale. We've got a nice strong back. Just take a moment. We're going to work on arms now. So we're going to return to hands and knees. So let's bend the knees up, feet flat to the floor. And then we tuck the legs under. So we'll just swivel around on the bottom, come through to hands and knees. So making sure that you've got yourself comfortable. Sometimes working on hands and knees can feel a little bit awkward, but you know, you have to work with what you feel. I like hands and knees postures. They make the arms really work hard. So, with hands down on the floor, place beneath the shoulders. So exhale, squeeze the belly, nice and strong. We're going to do a posture called hot lizard, and this is the easy version because we're going to stay hands and knees. We're going to work with the arm out to the side at shoulder level. So from the breath, prepare, inhale. Exhale, squeeze your belly easily. Left arm out to your side at shoulder level. So you're pressing down through your right arm, it's supporting you now. Make sure that your arm is stretched out to the side. And it's not wandering off down behind you. Focus, you can turn the head and look down the line of the arm. If it's not comfortable to do that, just stay looking down at the floor. You choose what you feel. You're going to feel a little bit of shaky arm. Make sure it doesn't buckle. You do not want to have face slack to the floor. Wonderful. Prepare for a breath change over. Inhale, left arm down. Exhale, right arm out. So again, we're working from the upper back. We can put strength down through that left arm. Good pressure. Wonderful. Nice and easy. Inhale, bring the right palm down. Exhale here and breathe. Okay, so we're going to work the other half of opposite stretch. So the first part was extending the leg back behind us. which is okay. Glutes are nice and strong, they can cope with the weight of the leg. But we're going to work just through the reach of the arm now. Just going to pull from your ribs a little and stretch to your fingertips. With the breath, we'll work with the left arm first. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze the breath in your belly and reach forward with your left arm so you're coming through from the shoulder. Okay, turn the palm face in, not down to the floor. You're less likely to drop your hand down if you work palm face in. Just stretch and breathe. Be aware of that supporting arm now. Wonderful. Breath change over. Inhale, left palm down. Exhale, right arm forward. Extend through, push from the shoulder to the fingertips. Calm your breath. Excellent. Inhale and palm down. Exhale, arch your back, push your bottom down to your heels, and elbows head down and stretch. Nice and easy, lift the head, come through. Easy to lift the chest from the knees. So from here we're going to stand upright. Fingertips to the floor in front of your knees and then to the flexion of your toes. Just a very gentle push. Prepare, we're going to stand. Inhale. Exhale, push, stand. Knees up, easy, heels to the ground. Come up through mountain. Just take a moment as you are to feel, breathe. Wonderful. Big let's sort of shake out now. So from the floor work, we're coming upright and we're going to cool it down. Nice and easy. So we'll start with the breath, clasping the hands in front. Exhale completely. Inhale, lengthen up with the arms. Exhale and breathe. Lift toward, as you did for the opening. The stretch we worked to start the session. Wonderful. Nice and easy. Arms slowly bent. Okay, so from here, we're going to reach out to our sides, mountain. Inhale. Exhale, reach out, big stretch. You feel the length of the arms. We're going to work a forward bend. So this stretches for the back of the legs and just to wake up the circulation. Inhale. Exhale, flat back, forward bend, come down, nice and easy. Be aware of the depth of your stretches now that you've had time to work. Lift the head a little first. Bend your knees. We're going to curl up into mountain. Inhale and up. Exhale. Breathe. Wonderful. Thank you very much for taking part with me today, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye now.